welcome to the new video of the bike of Joshua.
Welcome.
He has the Instagram as well. He's new to the group.
Find it here.
Is that the right corner?
No!
You could find the Instagram in the comments below. He just bought a bike and he filmed the bike build series from my bike and from VDB's bike. You can find it. Where can you find it?
Right here.
And he loves to be in front of the camera, so we asked you guys a few questions on Instagram, Facebook and the YouTube community. What you wanted to know about the bike. Someone wants to hear the exhaust sound.
You can hear it now. Hey,
Question from Vida Zero. Dude, chain adjustment. Is it a real 450 or a 450 engine in a 530, 525? That's a question from Strijpschriven.
I don't know, I think it's a real 450. 450?
Yeah, it's a real 450 EXC model. Put some spikes on the tires and make it an ice bike. That's a question from Brian Fortin.
No. Please, no!
The two-wheel Vikings want to see a wheelies.
I can coast and scrape a little bit.
But only on the RC390 from the Sutta Wheelie School. We made a video right there. You can see it, right there. Yeah. Fafsan wants to see drifting.
Fafsan?
Fafsan.
I can drift, dude.
He only got his license for
a month.
Oh, a month or so. Sebastian wants to see crashes. I think you could manage that though. Ron West wants to see a cinematic video of the chain being tightened. You can find videos like that in my bike build series. You can find the link right here.
How stupid are you?
Juan wants to know the acceleration and top speed of the bike and some wheelies and sound test. 0 to 100?
Wheel quick.
I go 0 to 100, nigga, real quick.
About 4 seconds probably. Sicky wants to know rain tires, how good are they? I've driven a few other bikes and the rain tires are pretty good with temperatures like these because it's a softer compound so they heat up fastest. But during the summer it's shit. Peter Fuma wants to know what brake setup do you have?
You can answer that.
It's a stock brake setup. He has to switch to Motomaster or something similar to that soon. What are the plans with the bike? What are you going to change?
I think we're going to change the graphics kit.
Seat cover, brake setup, that's one for sure. Hand guards and maybe the headlights as well. Eric D wants to know, does the DUAL AKRAPOVIC feels like double nuclear explosion in your ear? It's really loud. That was the video for this week. Will we upload a video next week?
I don't know, but soon.
So make sure to hit the subscribe button right here. See you next time. Ciao.
Bye. Oh, we're all going to... Oh, the shop.